Hi, this is Kerry Young with Shore Insight Group at Exit Realty East Coast. I'm here with your Wall Township single-family market update as of July 1st. Let's break down what really happened in the month of June and what it means for local sellers and buyers. First, the facts. 19 single-family homes closed in Wall Township last month. As always, I like to focus on how quickly they sold and what that tells me about buyer urgency and offer strength. Traditionally, the rule has been the faster the sale, the stronger the offer, often above asking price. But this month, something surprising happened. Group 1, I'm going to call it the lightning sales. These are the properties that sold in 0 to 9 days on market. 5 homes went under contract in 9 days or less. You might expect these to perform the best, but they didn't. 4 sold just slightly above asking price. 1 sold below asking price. The average was 101% of asking price received. This group performed fine, but not exceptional. That's not what we've come to expect in this seller's market of the past few years. Let's look at Group 2. These properties sold in 10 to 14 days on the market. Now here's the twist. The next 5 homes that sold in 10 to 14 days did better, all selling for over asking and commanding an average of 110% of asking. That's right, slower sales brought stronger offers. This flips our usual assumption on its head and suggests that buyers aren't always rushing in with their best numbers on day 1, 2, 3, through 7 anymore. They're watching, waiting, and then pouncing, often producing bidding wars in week 3. I've experienced that myself with my recent listing. Group 3 were the standouts with staying power, and those are those that went under contract in 15 to 24 days. And why they're standouts is because there's 2 of these properties. One sold in 15 days at 111% of asking, but it's the other one that's went under contract at 24 days and resulted in an offer 116% over asking on day 24. So these were strategically priced and well-marketed properties, and buyers ultimately rewarded them with high offers, but not nearly as rapidly as we've come to expect during the past few years of low inventory and high demand. Now we have a final group, Group 4. This is more of what I would call the normalizing market, those that went under contract after 25 days. So once we hit that 25-day mark and beyond, the pattern shifted again. All homes that sold in 25 days or more received considerably less than asking price. This is where the market behaved more predictably. Buyers started to sense that the listing has become stale and that they have leverage, at which point they start making lower offers. All right, I also always like to take a look at what's happened in the pending markets. So in June, 19 properties also went pending, and they've confirmed that Wall Township remains a very strong seller's market. 4 homes went under contract in the first 7 days. 7 more followed in the second week. 4 more went pending in week 3. Even homes that took 21 or 23 days still found a buyer, and based on recent trends, they very likely got at or above asking. Only 2 listings out of the 19 lingered. One took 99 days and another took 160 days to go under contract. Those 2 will likely close well below asking. So overall, everything else moved very quickly, showing that well-prepared, well-priced Wall Township homes are still commanding strong interest and very likely accepting over-asking offers, even at 3 weeks on the market. So if you're thinking about selling, now is a good time to act, but only if you're strategic. With today's more discerning buyers, your outcome depends on a deep and accurate market valuation, highly strategic pricing, intense targeted marketing off of the MLS and outside of the local area, and smart ROI-focused home preparations. That's exactly what I offer my clients. To see what I mean, I'd love to invite you to explore my brand new website. It's designed for smart sellers and buyers who want expert guidance every step of the way. You can check it out at www.shoreinsightgroup.com. And when you're there, be sure to click on seller resources to explore tools like understanding agent relationships, New Jersey listing forms explained, smarter prep, smarter profits, and much more. You can also schedule a free home valuation, request a pre-sale preparation consultation, or sign up for a highly informative seller's consultation. I'm Kerry Ashion with Shore Insight Group at Exit Realty East Coast. Please feel free to call me or visit my website to make your next move a smart one.